So I just picked up this Series 7 Apple Watch in 44mm face. My last Apple Watch got really scratched within a couple days. I'm always working on cars and doing stuff around the house, and it's pretty easy to scratch if you use your hands and aren't just sitting at a desk. So I picked up this screen protector. It comes in a 2-pack. It comes with these dry and wet wipes to clean the screen before putting them on. And you can see here is the other screen. I like that it comes with 2 after one gets messed up. And you can see it has this film here that you pull off on each side when putting it on, so no contaminants get into the screen beforehand. It's super easy to put on. You don't even have to take your watch off. I recommend pushing it over here where the scroll knob is, over the side, and then just snapping it down. Everything is still usable on the Apple Watch. The scroll is a little tougher to use, and I found sometimes tapping buttons over on this side aren't as intuitive without it, but it's so easy to take on and off that if I am using my watch a lot or going through it, I can just slip it off and then slip it back on if it is annoying. But for the most part, everything works fine with it, and it's good to keep on for just going about my day. If I am doing a lot of work at my desk, I might slip it off and use it. But overall, great product, great price, and going to keep my Apple Watch hopefully in better shape than my last one was. I hope this video helps you with your buying experience.